In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install NordVPN on your desktop. Whether you're looking to add an extra layer of security while browsing or simply want to explore content worldwide without restrictions, installing NordVPN is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, let's head over to the official NordVPN website. There, you'll find the download link for the Windows installer. This installer is your gateway to a more secure online experience, and it's readily available for you. Once you've located it, click the button to begin downloading. After your download completes, navigate to the Downloads folder on your computer. Here, you should see a file named something like NordVPN install.exe. Double-click that file. Remember, the file name might vary slightly, but it will always have a .exe extension. As you proceed, your Windows system may prompt you with a question: do you allow this app to make changes to your device? This message is standard for any trusted installer because they need permission to work their magic. In this case, go ahead and click Yes. It's a safe action we're authorizing here because it's all part of the installation process for NordVPN. Next, you'll enter the installer interface. This is where you can customize a few setup options to your preference. For example, you might have the option to include browser extensions, which can enhance your browsing experience by extending VPN functionality directly into your web browsing activities. Or you might choose to create a desktop shortcut for easier access. Once you're satisfied with the choices presented, look for the Install button and give it a click to proceed. You'll likely notice that the actual installation doesn't take long. Once completed, you'll be prompted with the option to launch NordVPN immediately. For the sake of this tutorial, let's click Launch without delay. Now, as the NordVPN application opens for the first time, you'll be greeted by the initial setup window. This is where you'll need to log in to your Nord account to begin using the software. You'll have the standard option of using your email and password combination to sign in. If NordVPN offers multiple sign-in options, you might also be able to connect via your Google or Apple account. Just choose whichever method is easiest and most convenient for you. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully installed NordVPN on your desktop and logged into your account, ready to explore the internet with enhanced privacy and security. As always, if you encounter any questions or issues, don't hesitate to reach out to NordVPN's customer support for assistance. Thank you for following along, and enjoy your internet freedom with NordVPN.